Hey everyone, it's me, Puppy, and today we have the January 2020 Ipsy Glambag. And first off, this is really cute. Such a cute, marble, and it's I don't have nails, but it's like a leathery type of material. Latex? No, it's not latex. Anyways, gray, white, pink and gold, classic colors. Let's just get right into it, shall we? Our little card. And it says clean slate. Very appropriate for January 2020. Let's see what is in my magic little bag. Morphe, C125 Fluidity Full Coverage Concealer. I don't use concealer. I've never really used it, but I don't know. We'll try it. And this actually looks full size. And this was the item I picked for this month because I wanted to try a concealer. So let's see. Put my sleeve up here. If this is a good color. I don't know if you can actually see it, but it does match. Probably should not put that upside down. It does match. It is actually looks really good. I will have to give this a try. Next thing, Charcoal Bamboo Detoxifying Body Scrub. I don't really use body scrubs. This is by the Theory. Theory? It's an odd way to spell theory, but it's by Theory. And before I get this on my outfit, don't want that. Let's see. Put a little on my, ooh. It's just very drippy. As you can probably see, it is dripping down my arm, hand. But it's got those little micro beads in it, little exfoliants. Very gentle. It smells floral, but it's not a horrific scent. It's not super scent. Just gonna wipe this off. Okay. No, I like that scent. And my hand does feel a little softer than this hand. But now I have those little beads everywhere. Oh, next item. Misho Beauty Nail Lacquer. Ooh. Okay, we don't need boxes anyways. Oh, that is really cute. It's in this navy blue color, but look at this top. I have not seen a top before like that. Getting fancy, Ipsy. And just your standard brush. Nothing. Ooh. You can smell that. Don't breathe in when you're using this. This is called New York FW. I don't know what that means. New York for the win. But this, actually, as you can tell, I don't actually have nails. So this is going to my good friend Mandar. So it won't go to waste. It's just going to go to her because I am the press-on nail type. Okay, next thing. It's Jules Smith Beauty, and it is called, I don't know, something Dream, but it's a lip topper. I think it's gloss, definitely a gloss, but just put it there. You can see, I don't know if you can, on my pale skin, because it's a very pale pink. But actually, give me a minute. I will go grab a lipstick, put it on, and then put this on over it. Okay, so it's a color that doesn't really match the look today, but if you want to know what it is Lime Crime's Red Rose, and it's just the mini one that came with the blue and the natural one that I did not like and I did not use. So we'll get my little mirror here. Get my little mirror and sticky. I'll just now y'all know I hate matte lipstick. So this is giving quite a cute sheen, and it's not bad. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Is this good? Also, I got one of those little exfoliation beads on my lip. I don't know how. But we're going to go to the last item. And it is the Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk by Police. And I think this is after I take off all this makeup. And then you just use it to cleanse your face. And hopefully it exfoliates a little bit, because my face is really dry today. But let's see what this looks like. If I can get it out. Okay. Just a dibble dabble of, it looks like milk. Go figure. But ooh, it's thick too. And it dries down to nothing. And it smells cookies? No, it can't smell like cookies. It kind of smells like almond cookies, honestly. So, don't know what's up with that. But that was my Ipsy bag for this month. I think the concealer is going to be something I'm really going to like, because I got dark circles. This I'm using tonight. I will put if I liked it or not in editing. This, I can work with this. If I, wear a matte lipstick, then I can just have this to put over it. What else did I get? Oh, the nail polish going to Mando. And where is that? There it is. Scrub. I will use this probably never, but it's good to keep around. Maybe I will use it, but I still have like another scrub that's just been sitting there for 2 years. So that was this month's Ipsy box bag. It's a bag. But as always, this is Puppy. Bye.